Ah, okay, this really lights up at nighttime. Got the camera settings pretty good now. So actually what we're going to be doing is just walking down this kind of stretch of like, I don't know what they are, because I don't really see anything about this neighborhood, but I'm kind of, I'll try to put it on a map, and I'll label it accordingly, of course. But there's like all these bars that look like they have kind of a Japanese influence or something like that, and they're over on that side of the street, and they're over on this side of the street. And this first one here is called Shabu Shabu, and we're gonna just go by them, and also just check out the apartments here too. They're kind of cool in Taipei. So let's check this all out. Checking out Taipei 2023. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna walk down by the first one here, and today is actually New Year's Day. So yesterday was the Lunar New Year. Oh, the lighting looks really good. And there's all these kind of bars. I've kind of walked by them a few times, and I don't really know what this neighborhood is. When you look at the Lonely Planet, oh, there's fireworks. Well, I was just telling you, there's a Chinese New Year, right? So you can see them up in the sky. A lot of things are still closed too. I'm just gonna show this real quick. So there's all these kind of license plates, like there's like Sunshine Italy, Arizona, Maybach, I guess that's German, Sunshine America. So I don't know, there's like, interesting anyways. Be a man, bro. There's actually a lot of people drinking. I'm gonna go over there later, but I don't know if I should with my camera. But we're gonna walk down the street anyways. Some of these are still closed because it is New Year's Eve, but like this one has all these windows. It looks pretty cool. Asahi, Japan's #1 beer. I'm seeing a ton of references to Japan. There's a ton of bars over there too. And there's a lot of people walking around tonight too. Those apartments look awesome. I kind of hearing a lot of people drunk over there, so I'm not sure if I should walk by it or not. But on the other hand, I do want to film the street. So there's some bars over there called, I want to get over there side Joker. And then there's a bunch of them over there as well. So there's Shabu Shabu. Yeah, I hear they sound really drunk, so I can hear people yelling over there on that side of the street, the side that I want to go to. Dang, I wonder if I should just run across. There's some other bars I wanted to show behind me as well, but yeah, there's a bunch of people yelling. Oh, I see them now. They're in the street down there, so they are pretty drunk. But I kind of want to highlight some of these bars. So there's Joker. I've been kind of looking at this one too. A lot of these are closed because it's the holidays. I think what I'm gonna do is, instead of walking on that sidewalk where other people are drinking it, I'm gonna walk around it, because I can still capture everything. I just don't really want to deal with drunk people, to be honest. So we're just gonna walk all the way down, and then I'm gonna try to go to that crosswalk over there, and then we're gonna go down this way, and I'll try to like highlight the, yeah, they're really drunk over there. So we're gonna go down this way. Oh yeah, they're all hanging out over there, so looks like a bar. Okay, so we're gonna try to run across here. And I don't know the name of the street. But I'll try to label it accordingly later. The lighting of the camera looks great at night. Wow. This could really add a whole other element to my... This looks kind of cool right here too. Actually, this is where we started at, but there's this little table that's outside with the bars all around it. There's some umbrellas there too. Like all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, so we actually started here. I didn't realize that I came back to the same spot. And I don't know how I should handle that missed one. There's a bunch of people yelling over there, having a good old time. And actually I missed a lot of bars down there too, because I could have went all the way down and came all the way back. But I guess what we're gonna do is I'll try to label this street accordingly. Maybe somebody knows if I mislabel it. There's a big highway right up here. I'm kind of in sorry, I'll try to look it up on a map later. Anyways, we're gonna just end it right there. Hopefully that was somewhat interesting. That was another street of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.